Hello everyone, I have another package from China, from Gearbest, so let's see what is inside. It looks like it's two separate boxes, but I have an idea that what these can be. I'm trying to cut it quickly, but while I'm cutting, let me just wish you a Happy New Year, since this is my first video this year. So the first box is, let me show you quickly, this is not the point of this video, it was just an add-on item, so I could add it to my order for $3. So this is a little, I don't know what it's called, like you can put some soil and you can put some flowers in it, or plant some flowers in it, so it's nothing special. I already ordered one of these, what was part of the Christmas gift for my mom. I guess it looks good, but this is nothing special. So here is the other box. What is probably a little smaller than what I expected, but let's see what it is. Okay, so they taped it around just to make sure it's not opens on the way here. And first of all, it has a nice little carry case, but what is more interesting is what is inside. First, let's say this case seems okay quality. I mean, it's pretty nice quality. Actually, it's really similar than the my phone case for my OnePlus phone. So here are this little video lamp or video light. Hopefully it's gonna be improve the lighting here a little bit, because now the lighting here that's stable is now the Xiaomi light color bulb, what's doing a okay job, but it could be improved. So I will see how much this little thing is gonna improve the lighting condition here. And I have another application in mind how I can use it, and I'm gonna show you. So it's plastic in the back, but it's not a big surprise. Otherwise it doesn't seem so bad quality. It has a little weight, but is not a bad thing. So it has this. Okay, so this is the cable for the charger, and it's a EU cable, so it's always good. And it has its own battery. I'm gonna try it if it has any power in it. But additionally, I also have this cold shoe or hot shoe, and this little adjustable angle. So actually I can add it next to the microphone in this little rig what I use for my phone, and I might show you that how it's gonna look there. So first of all, I have to figure out that which way it goes. I mean, there is not much way how it can go, so probably the other way. Yes, and okay, so getting there. I don't want to break it, so I'm yes, here we go. So I don't know if it has, okay, probably it has some or maybe it doesn't have any charge and that's why it's red. So I'm gonna charge it a little bit and I'm gonna be back soon. So I'm back. I charged the battery a little bit, and while I was charging I set it up some other things to show how I can use it other way than just for videos. So if you want to turn on, you have to touch this on and off button and just for a second or something, and I'm gonna turn it towards the camera a little bit. It seems to be bright, and you can adjust the brightness here in the back. So it has it going up to 99, and this is how it looks, and I'm gonna go all the way down just to show what is the mast that you can get on it. So when it's done, it's like significantly not as bright as before. So probably I made a stupid mistake here, because as I'm going back I just want to show that how much it can brighten my table if I'm turning off the other light source. Hey Google, turn off the light.
Sure, turning off the E-light color bulb.
So if it would be here next to the phone, that would be how much light we can get here only from this little lighting panel, or I don't even know what it's called. So this is the paper, what came with it. So it's Craphy, that's the brand, and it seems to be alright, but I'm turning back on the other light. Hey Google, turn on the light.
Okay, turning on the E-light color bulb.
And another thing, you can also set the color of the light. So probably you can see that it's a little more warm color now, and you can go like this colder white too as well. So that's gonna be good now. And the other application what I was talking about, what I might use it, and actually just realized after I purchased it that probably it can help me with macro photography as well. Yes, I really love to do that. When I can't wait for spring, just the little insect who came forward, or came out from their hiding place. So I haven't tried it, how much it would work here with it, but I hope it's gonna be. Let me try it. So let me grab something just to try how much it can light. It makes a little harder because, okay, and I have to remove it. It's gonna be much better without it, because it had significant weight to the camera, and the weight is up here, so it's pulling the camera a lot. So yeah, so you will see, some at springtime when I'm gonna use it outside, that how much it works for this purpose. It's a little harder to hold the I mean, I can adjust the angle of it. So yeah, it's a little better. So yeah, so this is what I get here. As I said, it's in a springtime. That's gonna be the real test for this purpose. So this is just another way to use this light. So this is probably the budget macro photography with a cheap extension tube and with the, well, not the most expensive light. I mean, probably if I would buy a decent flash, that would cost more. But from my experience, it's better to have a light what is not only a flash when you taking picture of these insects, because if you have a light, it's like distract them. They don't care that you are close to them. They just staring the light, so they staying there for a longer time. I just hope it's not blinding them completely. So let me turn it off. Okay, so as I turn it off, it's obvious immediately that it helps a lot with lightning. So I guess nothing more to say about this stuff. I'm just gonna show you also how it looks when I just put it to the to this rig what I'm using for videos. So thanks for watching and God bless. So this is how this setup looks like. Obviously probably the most important part is the phone is here, and at the top you can find two cold shoes, and one of these have this new light and the other has the microphone. So hopefully the sound quality is gonna be alright, and hopefully the lighting is gonna be a little better as well. So there is nothing much to say about it, and you know, I hope it's gonna be a better lighting than the current solution with the Xiaomi E-Light color bulb, and pretty much that's it. So you can see it from the other side. This is how it looks, and so I would like to just say that it seems a little heavy for this whole thing, or this whole setup. Probably a better tripod would help, but for now it's gonna do it. I mean, it's not gonna fall off, it's not gonna collapse, nothing like that. But it's just, if I touch it, you can see it has this little movement.